Kopify AI Writer just got an update and it's now version 2.0. And I want to talk about it and show it to you because it's still on AppSumo. As you can see, today is 25th of March 2023 and you can still find Kopify version 2 on AppSumo. This is the price, $59 one time. You can click on the link in the description. You will reach this page so you can see all the details. This AI writing tool is different from many others. I already made a review about the version 1. You can check it out here on my channel. I'll leave you the link. Why it's different? Because you pay for this tool $59. There is only one option. You can generate unlimited documents. You can create 150 workflows per month. You can do 30 SEO content audits per month, but you will need to connect your OpenAI API key in order to generate content. So here you are paying for this container, for this tool, but then if you want to write something, you need to connect your API key from OpenAI and you will pay directly OpenAI based on how much content you will write. And as you may know, all the other tools are anyway using OpenAI, but they charge you month after month, even if you are not using your AI writing tool. In this case, you will only pay if you write something, only if you will use it. Let's take a quick look to the changelog for this version 2 of Kopify. There are some new features, integration with the ChatGPT API, so you will be able to choose what you prefer to use. As you can see here, free upgrade to GPT-4, multi-language support, 3 new workflow modes, rewrite mode, roundup post mode, people also ask mode, dark light mode, multiple WordPress website support, and some bug fixes and improvements. UI changed, improved SEO audit. Now you can check up to 20 competitors, outline builder, outline workflow mode, new document editor with Markdown, better WordPress publishing, auto images support for workflows, more efficient credit systems, only charging for successful workflows. So this means that if for any reason OpenAI API stop working while you are generating an entire article, you will not be charged. So let's get inside the new version of Kopify. Here it is. As you can see, it's different from the previous version. This is the dark mode. You can also change it to the light mode. I prefer to use it like this. You have a dashboard here. You have your templates. Not too many, but you can also generate your custom templates. You have your documents and your folders here. These are the workflows, outline mode, people also ask mode, roundup, post and rewrite mode. You have a chat feature, it's coming soon, support and settings. Let's try, for example, this roundup post. This is made to generate Amazon review kind of articles. I obviously already connected my OpenAI API key, so I can use it without any problem. I can select a folder. I don't have any folder, so I create a folder. Let's call it Amazon Best, so I know what kind of articles I can generate here. I click on Add. I need to insert a description. Perfect. And now I can insert a title here. For example, let's say the 5 best aromatherapy diffusers for relaxing at home 2023 guide. I need to insert a keyword and I want to choose this best aromatherapy diffusers. This is my main keyword. Tone of voice, let's say friendly, and language English. I click on the next button and now I need to insert some products. So I need to open Amazon.com and search for the products I want to insert in my article. This is my first product. For example, I need to copy all this part of the URL and insert here. Then I click on Add. and I need to find another product, let's say this one. I'm choosing these products totally random. I will do the same for all the 5 products. Perfect, now I choose my products and click on the next button. And here I can help AI to generate a buying guide, so I can choose what features I want to be inside my article, or I can use this generate button and let's say I click here to let AI decide what kind of features you can insert in your article. Coverage area, noise level, water capacity, runtime, design, timer, auto shut off and light control. Okay, I think it's good. If you want, you can go on your products pages and choose which features you want to insert in your buying guide. So let's say I like these ones, I click on the next button, and here I can again insert my FAQ questions. So in this case, you can again generate with AI, or maybe you can go and search for the most common people also ask questions. So for example, in this case, as you can see, I have some people also ask questions, so I can copy this one. Let's try to do like this. I have this one. Let's just choose another one. So we have 3. Okay, let's say this one. And I can generate an FAQ section. Again, I can also use AI to generate these questions. Perfect. Now I click on the next button and Kopify is saying that I can have an article between 1400 and 1900 words with 4 products. I don't know why I choose 5. Oh, I had to click on the add button. So let me again insert this one. And sorry for this little issue. Okay, so I click on add, next, next, next. 5 products, and as you can see, this is slightly changed because I added another product, and here you can choose your AI model. So I can choose DaVinci 003, GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4 and even GPT-4 32K. In this case, I will use GPT 3.5 Turbo, it's the less expensive one, so let's use this one. I will also enable auto images because I'm curious to see how it works, and click on launch, and Kopify will start generating my article. Again, you need to have an account with OpenAI, connect your OpenAI API keys, and you will pay month by month only what you consume with OpenAI. So you pay one time this tool, and then you will pay only if you generate articles. If you don't generate any articles, you will not pay anything. So I will now speed up this video and let's wait for this article to finish. And here it is, I have my entire article. It took about 5 minutes, more or less, and as you can see, I have 2,709 words with a main image. I have to say this image has nothing to do with my article, so this is not good. Anyway, I suggest you choose your images by hand. Anyway, I have an introduction. I have my list of the best aromatherapy diffusers. These are the products I choose. With this H2, it's too long. I will change it and make it way shorter. But AI is going out there on Amazon and checking for all the data. So what it's writing here in these reviews has been taken from the product pages. I will check if all the data are correct. Anyway, it's interesting because you have your image of the product, you have a brief review, you have features with a bullet bullet list, you have a pros and cons, and then the next product, and so on, until the end where you have your buying guide with the coverage area, noise level, water capacity, runtime, design timer, and so on. You have your FAQ section with the 3 FAQs I selected, and then you have your conclusion. We hope you enjoyed our guide on the 5 best aromatherapy diffusers and so on. At the first look, it's not bad at all, and this is generated by using OpenAI APIs, but I suppose they also made some kind of fine-tuning for this specific workflow, and this is just one of the workflows you can use inside Kopify. Then I can click on Go to Editor, and this article will open in a new document here into Kopify. Okay, and then here I have some other options because I can change anything I want with this editor. I can even create more text if I want in any point of the article using the context, using this generate button, and so on. I can even choose to publish if I connect my WordPress site here, so I can choose which site, I can choose the title, the type, if it's a post or a page, I can choose a future image directly from here, I can choose a category, and the status if it's a draft or published article. Then I have this sidebar here, it's the same you had also in the previous version. With Kopify you can even give voice commands to your AI, so voice prompts. This is interesting. You can insert images by searching them here. Aromatherapy, click on search. And as you can see, I have some images. I suppose these are taken from Unsplash, for example, or Pexels, those kind of sites. This icon is to generate templates or any kind of text inside the document. You can choose the keyword, the tone of voice, the language, the number of generations. You have templates here with all the templates. You have outputs when you generate outputs. Then you have the tool, and this is where you optimize your article for SEO. So let's say this is my keyword, best aromatherapy diffusers, United States. I click on analyze, and Kopify will analyze my competitors in this specific SERP to optimize article with NLP LSI words. Okay, this is my SERP results. I see improvements from the previous version because now you can see the ranking position, the number of words, the headings, the images for every one of your competitors, the number of links, so it has some more data if compared with the previous version. You have an outline section here, you can even generate an outline, and this is something you can also do without using workflows, because you can go here and generate your article step by step as you can do with any other AI tool. And then you have this optimize section where you can see something similar to phrase, similar to Surfer SEO. You have some words you need to insert in your article in order to optimize it. You have a word count with the green check here. You have your headings number, you have the number of links and the number of images. Then you have your words. The green ones are the ones I already have in my article, the red ones are at 0, and then these slightly orange ones. The thing I don't see even in this version, it's some kind of score, of SEO score. I would like to see some kind of score in order to have an idea of the level of my optimization, but I'm quite sure they will add something like this. Anyway, I see improvements from the previous version. It's again quite basic as an SEO optimization, but it's not bad if you consider that you will spend a little bit of money every time you generate an article, because in this case I used the less expensive AI model from OpenAI, and if I go here on my OpenAI account, you can see For this entire article I spent 8 cents. 8 cents to generate a 2820 words article. This is why it can be convenient for you. Maybe yes, maybe not. It depends on what you prefer to use. Anyway, it's working quite good. I see improvements from the first version, so thumbs up for Kopify. Again, you can find Kopify on AppSumo. It's still here as of today, 25th of March 2023. Click on the link in the description. You can reach this page, and if you like this idea, you can purchase for $59. Remember, with AppSumo you always have a 60-day money-back guarantee, and if you are watching this video when this deal will be expired, by clicking on the link in the description, you can reach this official Kopify site, and at the moment these are the pricing plans. $19 monthly for the starter plan, but you have some limits, and $49 monthly for this pro plan. And this is it for the version 2 of Kopify. I hope this video was helpful. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel so you will not lose my next videos. Thank you very much for being here until now, and see you soon on the next video here on Digital Toolcase.